To set savings goals in EveryDollar, start by logging into your account and navigating to the Goals section. This is where you will create and manage your savings objectives. First, click on the Add a Goal button, which will prompt you to choose the type of goal you want to set, such as an emergency fund, vacation, or down payment on a house. Select the goal that best fits your savings objective. Next, enter the total amount you want to save for your goal and the deadline by which you want to achieve it. EveryDollar will then calculate how much you need to set aside each month to reach your goal. You can also set a monthly target and track your progress over time. It is essential to make your goals specific, measurable, and achievable, so you can stay motivated and focused on your objectives. Practically, if you want to save $1,000 for a vacation in 6 months, EveryDollar will calculate that you need to set aside approximately $167 per month. You can then adjust this amount based on your income and expenses to ensure it is realistic and attainable. Best practices for setting savings goals in EveryDollar include regularly reviewing and adjusting your goals, considering your income and expenses when setting targets, and prioritizing your goals based on importance and urgency. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively use EveryDollar to set and achieve your savings goals and make progress towards a more stable and secure financial future.